Alright, welcome back to the channel. So we're here in little storage shed. I've been storing my bike in at my mom's place for the winter. But it is getting warm now, so time to get back on the bike. And she's really dusty. Really dusty. I need to go for a wash. It's still too cold to wash it. I'll figure that out later. Today though, I am taking these off. I wanted forwards on here to, get a little bit forward because I'm 6'4", and having the pegs right here were a little cramped, and the pegs were a little small. So I got the Kuyakin floorboards and then some T-Rex forwards. Didn't work out quite the way I hoped they would. These are really chunky and these are really chunky, and they put your foot out about another inch or so from where they meet up with the from the stock position. Your foot would be like normally right here versus out here. And I found when I'm on the bike, it's this is where I would sit in stock position. This is how it would be with the floorboards on. And going down the highway, a lot of wind coming here, pushing leg back. Also not a good trip. It almost ended with me doing the splits on the bike. It was not very comfortable, so they're coming off. And we're going back to stock position. I'm gonna keep the floorboards on for now. I might do something else with these. I might get rid of them. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Alright, now that we got all that out, I got a light is horrible here. There's that little cotter pin right there. I'm gonna take that out, get the mounting point out. Alright, it's out. And of course, it'll focus here. I broke it, so I'm gonna get a new one. But then on these, the bolt just slides out, and then you take out the mounting thing. This is a Kuyakin spline adapter. I forget the part number, but you do need these in order to run the foot pegs, or not foot pegs, the floorboards. They do not just mount directly to the stock mounting position. That's what this is right here. And these are just held in with 2 bolts, which I obviously did not get very tight because, yeah, that was annoying. One thing to note with these, the spring that comes off is stock. You see all the spider webs in there. Yeah. It does. There's a specific way you have to put the spring in, like that. So loop over the side of the top. Yeah, it's fairly simple. We have arrived at the place of lows. Is it really a project if you don't hit the hardware store at least once during the project? I don't know, you tell me. Now we got our cotter pins and some Loctite. So all good to go, hopefully. Okay, we're back looking at how to set things up here. If I put that there, then that it's going to be way far forward. Luckily, I think I'm going to reuse the brake lever from the T-Rex kit because I can move it with those bolts. Put it back like 2 spaces, I think, and then yeah, that'd probably be good, I would assume. So let's see. Okay, now we've got that moved back, down 2 spaces. I also put it up, but looks like it might rub right there. It might rub against that bolt. I'm gonna see if I can get that spaced out a little bit. Well, looking at it, I don't know if there's anything I can do right now to get it to stop rubbing right there. You can hear that. Rubbing straight on that bolt. Like this can flex out that way, but it's down in here. There's nothing really holding it to come out. So, and this is not moving. I don't know. I guess might have to leave it for now and then look into other options. And I could always just straighten this up. We'll see if this is too high when I have the floorboard back on. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so I'm back for my second run to the store. I had bought these cotter pins here that I thought would work. They are too big though. They looked about the same size as the, well, a little bit thicker. I'll get one side by side. If I figured they would fit through the hole, but they definitely do not. So I grabbed these ones. I had to go back. And these are 1/16 by 33/4 long. So these should definitely fit in the hole. Okay, we're back on with those. They are a little longer than I would like, but they will work. Now to get the get these on, you know, like that or something close. Yeah. Okay, so that's all on there. A little loose fit. We'll see how it feels. Being on the bike. Okay, so yeah, it puts me back to being pretty close to the tank with my knees. That's good. And then, yeah, that's a good spot to have the brake. It's not gonna, I'm not gonna be sitting here with my feet under it. Just have to shuffle forward just a little bit. That'll be good. All right, everything fully tightened up now. Let's see, it moves. We got, not gonna come off. So And I just realized I didn't put the washer in behind the bolt, or behind the cotter pin. Of course. I'll fix that up real quick. Okay, washer on in the correct spot. Put it back on. Had a little bit of an accident. Stepped on my Loctite. Exploded everywhere. Yeah. So this is on, tighten back down. We're good to go on this side. Time to do it on the other side. Which actually, fun fact. So you see how, see where this is on that side. So versus that side. See how far, look how farther out that is compared to that. Yeah, that's what I'm changing. Okay, I've got everything on the left side. Same process really. Took off the ankle plate, which I didn't put it back on because one of the bolts is stripped. I'm gonna have to get new ones, so I'll put it back on when I get those in. Bolt, and then the washer, cotter pin, and then regular old footboard. And I got blue Loctite on that too. Now time to go for a ride. Well, so far the going back to the stock page and putting in the farthest forward, we're working pretty well. Only thing I notice is my my shins are hitting into them when I put my feet down, so they're a little wide. So I might look into getting some narrower ones, maybe. I don't know. 'Cause as it sits now, I gotta do like a super wide stance. Alright people, let's go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Hello. Nice looking Trans Am. I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna have to move that brake pedal back a bit. It's a bit far of a reach. It looked a lot closer when I was looking at it off the bike than what it feels when you're trying to go hit it. We'll go this way. Let's take it easy through here. My tires aren't warmed up. Though it will be a good test to see how far I can go without scraping, because with the forwards, yeah, stop there, you better. With the forwards on, I was scraping the bottom of these, just turning like doing in the middle of the street, just doing a 90-degree turn. I was scraping. Oh, hey, there's a biker. Whoa, let's catch up. Okay, what I was saying, I would start scraping pretty quick, just trying to do a normal turn, not even trying to like lean the bike over at all. So that was part of the reason why I wanted to get rid of the forwards. There he is. Hey, bud. What's up? Look at us.
I like the paint color.
What's up?
I like the color.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah,
Ooh, that's a nice bike.
I need to get me one of those.
Yeah, well, the GoPro?
No, the chin mount.
Oh, the chin mount, yeah.
I've got a thing for mine right here.
Oh, okay.
But it looks hella goofy.
Oh, really? Yeah. I don't know. They work pretty good. Yeah. Have a good one. Yeah, see, just like that. Even doing that, I would scrape. And I could probably go faster through there, lean a little bit harder. Whee! I'll close that. Probably blowing wind in y'all's ears now. Yeah, see, I feel a lot better. Those gloves are too thick. I can't fucking move. I'm trying to turn my blinker on, but it didn't go. I feel a lot better with this position than with the forwards. And so even though my knees are at right angles, more than right angle really, but I can deal with that. I deal with it in every other fucking vehicle. I think it's good to get, probably will need to get a crash bar and just put some highway pegs on them if I want to do long distance. Anyways, I think it's going to work out a lot better than having the forwards. I don't know what I'm going to do with them now because I'm still using the brake extension from that kit, so I might keep them around, maybe find a use for them in the future. I don't know. Yeah, other than that, I guess thanks for coming by. I'll see you next time. Peace.